Okay guys, this challenge is eating me up at night. I can't sleep. I cannot let this go. Okay, so this is from this video part right here. Aaron Cairo, 2 wheels cruising, and we're gonna check it out. It is manual, kickflip manual, wait for it. Kickflip manual, kickflip manual. First time I ever did 3 kickflips mid-manual. So 1 manual, kickflip, manual, kickflip, manual, kickflip, 3 kickflips in the middle of a manual. So, okay, the exact same spot is on Skate 3. On Skate 3, it's called 2nd and Navy. In real life, it's called 3rd and Army. And I'm gonna go there. I've got myself set up. I'm going to land this trick. Okay? Do you believe in me? Thank you. I believe in me too. Okay, I'm getting better at this, guys. I've been playing. So I'm in manual. Boom. That could have been first try. If I'd have landed that first try, I would have freaked the fork out. Okay, let's go. Manny. Kickflip. Ooh, 5-0. It's not what I did in real life. I did not 5-0 the edge of that. In real life, there's not nice grass on the side. There's deadly rocks. So if you fly off the side to the left, you're basically dead. I don't know why it's so hard for me to kickflip sometimes. Okay, let's do some practice steps.
Yeah, what's up? Hey, wait, hold on a minute. Put it
That's
down.
not a kickflip.
Put it down. Yeah, listen. Are you out there doing what you need to be doing? Because the board sales are slowing down. Make sure you get out there and get some
Come on,
coverage
kickflip.
and stuff, all right?
Okay. I think it's easier to kickflip when you're rolling. Yeah, there we go. Manual. Kickflip. Dang it. Okay, this is not the easiest trick I've ever done in my whole life. I'm not gonna lie to you. In real life, this took a while. See, what I would like to do is if I had the footage, the actual raw footage of all the attempts, I would like to do video game versus real life. Like, timed against how it actually was. Okay, I just did ollies. Okay. Okay. That was pretty sick. I'm gonna lie. I forgot how to do the okay, here we go. Okay, let's peep it. Ollie. Ollie, Manny, which was supposed to be a kickflip. Ollie, Manny. Ollie late flip, Manny. And then kickflip Manny. That was the first one that was supposed to be what it was, and then I kickflipped out, which I'm pretty proud of that. Okay, let's go. Let's do it again. Okay, now I just need to dial in. Wow, thank you very much for that. Let's do not do that again. I need to dial into my Manny kickflips. Supposed to be manualing that whole time and that wasn't. That's okay, give us a chance to practice. For some reason, the camera angle like freaks me out. In real life, you could actually do that. You can grind and then get back into a Manny from that piece. Why are you doing that? Do a kickflip. Good, that's what you deserve. You deserve to hit that tree. You know what else I need to learn? I need to make a video learning the speed glitch. If you guys have a Skate 3 challenge for me, leave it in the comments below. I'd love to see what you want me to do. Ouch. That's what you get. That's what you get, Aaron. You know, I'm gonna just pick up this board, come up here, and I'm gonna restart a marker from right here. Okay, right here, I'm gonna go place marker. Now, my question is, when I start, am I gonna be off the board? Hope not. Manny? Dang it. New marker. Okay, let's go. Dang it! Okay. Nice and straight. Wow. Okay, just give me... Why can't I do that? This should be the easiest thing. I'm done giving up on the hard trick. I'm trying an easy one. Okay. I'm gonna say in real life this is way easier to nose manual this whole thing. Dang it. Why? Not sure if I landed in the nose manual or not, but I'm gonna take it. That looks uncannily like me, doesn't it? Come on. Come on. Get a little more speed. Just enough to make it. Dang it. Okay, I must say that the gravity mechanics in this game are really spot on. That's exactly what would happen in real life if I did that. So is that. Is it just me, or sometimes the basic tricks are the hardest ones? Okay, officially viewers really suck at this. Come on. Come on. You're getting there. You're getting there. I manual all the way to the end, and then I do the stupidest ending ever. It's okay. I'm not doing that again. Because we are here to do manual with 3 kickflips manual. Dang, it's hard. Okay, not what I was trying, but we're getting better. Not totally sure why. Sometimes it's just like a good kickflip, and sometimes it's not. Why are you doing a shove it? Why are you doing a shove it? Dang it! Okay, let's go. Ollie, manual. Why? I think I just need to roll around and do some kickflips for a little bit. What are you doing at 3rd and Army anyways?
Hello? Are you there? Look, I don't got time to talk. Check this out. Board sales are slowing down. Are you out there doing what you need to be doing to make these board sales pump?
Guys, how many in a row is that? Okay, somebody please count how many in a row that was just there and tell me why I can't just do it on the ledge, please. Okay, we got this right here. Dang it! I'm getting so close though. I can feel it. I can feel it in the 3rd and Army. It's funny, when I was doing this, I had to like sort of watch. I couldn't do the kickflip like, I have to do the kickflip only right here. That's how I did it in real life. And I think I did the next one around right here. And then the last one I did on the final one. Because like the speed and everything was really tricky. The other thing about this spot in real life is it's really windy. Usually going the direction that I'm going right now, you're going in the same direction as the wind, so it can be helpful, especially on a manual trick like this. But if you're going the other direction, you're going against the wind, and it can be really hard. Dang it. I need that girl to get out of there. She's not there now, and then she like appears. Just like in real life, I'm making up random excuses that... Okay. Okay. Oh, we did it! Ooh, I would have liked to pop out better at the end, but I'm going to see the instant replay. We're going to see what it looks like from a similar angle that I filmed it at. Let's see. Yeah, let's watch it. Ollie, manual, looking good, looking clean. Kickflip manual, almost in the exact same spot I did it. Kickflip manual, almost in the same spot, and then this one was in the same spot. Kickflip manual. Oh, I'm taking that. It was sick. That was so sick. I like it. Okay, leave it in the comments below if you've ever done a manual with 3 kickflips in the middle. On skate 3, off skate 3, in real life, on skate 3, skate 3, skate 3, skate 3. I'm also curious, what is your guys' favorite skateboarding video game? Please leave it in the comments below. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'm making these to inspire you, yes you, to get out there and learn how to ride a skateboard. I'm having a super fun time making these, and I hope you guys are having fun watching them. We'll see you in the next episode.